Here is how to install a virtual machine in Proxmox in under 3 minutes. Your first step will be going to your distribution of choice and copying the link to the download. Then you're going to navigate to your Proxmox server. You're going to go to the left-hand side and click on your first storage device. That'll bring a drop-down ISO images. From there you want to click download from URL, paste in your URL, and then query the URL and download it. Now in your Proxmox webpage, navigate to the top right, click select create VM. Now give it a name and give it an ID. These can be anything you choose. When you're done, click next. Select the operating system you just installed from the ISO image dropdown. If you want to change where it's installed, click on the storage dropdown. Now click next. Click add qemu-agent. Now click next. If you want to change the storage of the system, change it here by selecting and modifying the disk size. Click next. Leave sockets at 1, but you can change your cores to a value you want less than the number of cores on your CPU minus 1. The more cores, the better performance. Now click next. Change the amount of memory given to the server. This is in multiples of 1024, which is 1 gigabyte. I recommend giving it more than 4 gigabytes for usable performance. Now click next. Don't change anything and click next. And now click finish to finalize. Now navigate to the left panel. Click on your VM, click on the start button in the top right, then click on the console button on the left hand side. Click enter to try or install your distribution when it boots, and then follow through with the operating system installation instructions. When it asks, I recommend a default selection of applications. It is okay to erase the disk and install the operating system. No data will be lost. Encryption is not necessary, and then when you're done, click restart now. When it reboots, open the terminal and enter in these commands. They will be in the description. Sudo apt update, and if there is any updates, then sudo apt upgrade -y, then sudo apt install qemu-guest-agent, then sudo systemctl enable qemu-guest-agent, then sudo systemctl start qemu-guest-agent. Now you have successfully created a virtual machine in Proxmox. If you need more instructions, check out my full-length video with additional instructions and tips.